Good morning, Benjamin. Everything okay?
Yes.
Good sleep?
Yes.
Yeah? Good morning, guys. Yeah, another beautiful day here in Buriram.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's see what we're gonna doing today. Oh, good morning, Mama. And our breakfast today?
Really good.
What is it?
Good job.
Great job. Okay. Yeah, it looks very, very good. And is it good, Ben? Yummy? Thumbs up or not? Ready, Ben? Fertig? Was good? Yeah? Yeah, good. Yeah? Very nice. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, ครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah, and then now for dessert, what you got? What is that? Ooh, some chocolate cake? Yummy. Yeah, and Mama and Papa go buy some springy roll, okay? Yeah? Yeah, then here, the next shop, what Tick told me then, is very popular with the spring rolls, homemade fresh spring rolls. And look, who is this one? You still remember this one here? Huh? Where you go for many days? Huh?
With my friend.
Yes, now Emily is in the age now already, now where she also start now already, okay. Staying with Mama and Papa? No, boring. Huh? So you're gonna stay with your friend, huh? And also overnight, huh? How is it? Yeah, you have fun? Yeah? Scared or not? No, because you're a big girl already now, no? But yeah, as you're wondering, many people ask for you already. Where Emily? Where Emily?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Emily back. Have only Benjamin now, and Mama and Papa. Emily, go on. But here she is, just spending time, having a good time here in Buriram with your friend. It's good. You like it?
And I also wear eyebrows.
You make your eyebrow today?
Papa.
Okay. Good stuff. Can open? You want your dessert? Emily, can you help your little brother?
Okay.
Huh?
You're missing me so much.
Yeah, sure. You're gone for many days, see? Oh, so cute. He miss you. So,
Oh, so hard to open.
so hard to open.
Yeah.
Cannot?
Nope. Oh,
Ah. What's that, Benjamin?
okay.
Cake. Chocolate? Okay, try. Is it good or not?
Hello Ben, good morning, afternoon. I can kiss you. ไม่หอม
And good your cake?
หมา
Here are all the different spring rolls what Tick bought from the shop. Some more. Good, and then Emily will bring you some geojab also, huh? And you like it? You not try yet?
Because it's still hot. Yummy.
Yummy, no? That shop is very good. Long time already, that shop. More than 50 years. Mama go eat there already when Mama baby. No?
Oh, Mama.
No? Yes, Mama was baby also. LKW? We just went to the Buriram City Hall yeah, here in the background, yeah, because we made an ID card for Alex and for Emily, yeah, Thai national ID card. Ben, we couldn't do right now because you need to be at least 7 years old for you can apply for that one. And the reason for we doing this here now in Buriram is, yeah, because we are here now anyway, and yeah, in Phuket where we normally living, it's super busy, and here was now very easy. Now one ID card costs then 100 baht each, yeah, and is valid for 10 years, and then yeah, we done it now already, so it is way more convenient now for us also when we traveling or something. For example, with the airplane, at the moment before we needed to bring then the birth certificates from them, and then okay, now they just have the small check card, ID card now, so done. Very happy with that one.